Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 25th, 2020, and we're peeling the winter luxury pie pumpkins here so that they can get cooked down and be made into pumpkin pies then. So when we cook our pumpkins, we remove the skin, and then they get cut up and the seeds removed, and then we cook them down so we can make our pumpkin dishes with them. It's hard to get the skin off around the base of the pumpkins. So you just want to gently rinse it off there. Helps get any dirt off of it that you may have missed from taking it out of the garden. So we're just getting the top cut out here of the pumpkin. Gotta get a bigger knife. Just gonna get this cut here. Oh, look at that. A lot of nice seeds in there. Now we are going to be taking the seeds out of it. The family that this one is in, we didn't have anything else that would cross with it, so we can save the seeds out of it.
Smells like a pumpkin.
My dad said it smells like a pumpkin. He's going to scrape the seeds out there. And what we'll do with these seeds then is we'll rinse them off to get the pulp off of them, and we'll lay them out then on a paper towel for them to dry.
A lot of seeds.
So these produce a lot of seeds.
And plump seeds too.
And when your seeds are plump, that means that they're good for planting. They're viable seeds. Now, what some people do is they take and they roast their pumpkin seeds in the oven, and they add like some different seasonings to them and stuff. We tried that one time. It wasn't our favoriteest thing, so we just collect the seeds for planting the next year. And the winter luxury pie pumpkin is an heirloom pumpkin, so providing you don't have anything else that will cross with it, you'll be able to save the seeds from it and plant them again the next year and have it seed true for you. So it's time to get these cut here. And you can see how many pumpkin seeds we got there. We got a lot of pumpkin seeds. So we're getting these sliced up here. And you can cut your pumpkin in chunks if you want to. I was cutting this in half here. And putting it in the kettle with some water in it. So we put about a cup of water in our big saucepan here, and we're putting the pumpkin in so it can cook then. And we're putting our pumpkin in here so it can steam. And we'll put our lid on it then, and we'll put it on the stove. So we have a few other pumpkins here to get cut up, so we'll be back. And even in this little one here, it's littler, but it has a lot of really nice seeds in it. So I'm going to be keeping some of these too. So the small seed there, that one there is no good. That seed there never developed, and if you plant it, it's not going to do anything. Now the seed up there by the spoon that was just flipped over, that one there is a viable seed. It's nice and plump, and it has everything in it that it needs to sprout up next year when you plant it, providing, you know, like weather and mice or something don't eat it. So that's how you tell your seeds apart between the good ones and the bad ones. So we have the other one cut up in there, and now it's time to get it on the stove so we can steam it. So you just want to steam this until it's soft when you prick it with your fork. You don't want to over steam it or overcook it. So this was one, the frost hit the vines, and it was like a paler orange on the outside, and it's green on the inside. Now with the top cut off, you can see it's a little orange. It still smells like a pumpkin. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to put it in a separate kettle and steam it up and see what it comes out to be. So we're checking the pumpkin here. Nice and soft. That means it's done. And the next step is we're going to get it drained here so we can get the water off of it. So we're getting the water drained off. Here we did let it cool down a little bit. If your water's really hot and you have a Corian sink, you want to run cold water when you're draining it off. That smells delicious. It smells really sweet. So I'm going to try a little piece of this here just to see what it tastes like, because it smells so sweet. It definitely tastes like pumpkin. Has a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. So we're just letting this drain off here some to get the water off of it, and my mom's measuring it off here for her pumpkin pie. So when we get to taste how it tastes in the pie, I will come back and I will let you know. So we will be back. So these are our two pumpkin pies here. Now I really like the pumpkin. To me it has a really nice flavor to it. Now my mom and dad don't care for it too much, but I do like the flavor of it, and everybody's taste buds are different. So my mom had extra pumpkin left over, so she made Mikey some peanut butter pumpkin cookies. So this is one of Mikey's peanut butter pumpkin cookies, and these are doggy treats, and he loves these things. Here you go, sweeties. That's yours. That's all yours. Yeah, you're a good boy. That's all yours. Yeah. That's yours. So, before Mikey came to live with us, when he was just a puppy before we had gotten him, he came from a fend for yourself type thing, and the owners who had his mom and his sister and brothers didn't believe in feeding their animals, and we found out about this, and we got Mikey, and the other puppies were they got good homes. So anytime we give him a treat, a bone, biscuit, or cookies or anything, he just sits and cries over them, or he'll go and he'll hide them because he's so happy that, you know, he got something. Now when you make your peanut butter dog biscuits, you want to make sure that the peanut butter that you're using doesn't have X-toil in it, and that's harmful for dogs, so you want to make sure that that's not in it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!